Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this quick little pamper routine. I have my fresh pink Moscato. You guys know I love wine if you follow me on social. And this is just going to be a fun little pamper night. So the first thing I like to do is apply a hair mask to my hair. You guys know I've been coloring my hair like crazy lately. So the Shea Moisture protein treatment is one of my favorites for my short color treated hair. It is super moisturizing. It's packed with protein, honey, and other moisturizing properties that are going to really help to moisturize and strengthen my hair, and also to prevent damage in the future. I'm going to leave this hair mask on during my entire pamper night, so I'm just throwing on a towel over top to trap in the heat and to allow the mask to work better. So next I'm going to apply a face mask, and I'm using another Shea Moisture product. This is the Shea Moisture Instant Rebound Mask, the Dragon Blood and Coffee Cherry line, and I'm just using a regular foundation brush to apply this all over my face. This mask is kind of like a 2-in-1 because it does help to deeply cleanse your pores as well as giving you fresh hydration that leaves your skin so soft and smooth and just glowing. Just like the name says, it does have coffee, which helps to energize and waken up your skin, and the Dragon's Blood has amazing antioxidants that help to aid in the glow. Next, for under my eyes, I'm going to use my favorite Skin Iceland Hydrating Cooling Eye Mask. I use these all the time whenever I feel like my eyes just need a pick-me-up. They really help to depuff, they help to brighten, and they also help to prevent wrinkles and lines under your eyes. So I love these eye masks. You also get a good amount of them in one pack, so they last me a pretty long time. Like I said, I love them. Once I have my skin and my hair already prepped, I am going to just put on some music. I love listening to music that makes me feel good. You the Baddest by Future is one of my favorite songs when I want to feel good about myself. So I'm just now running my bath. I'm going to put in some of the Shea Moisture Bath Sugar Cubes to help add some nice fragrance to the bath and also to add some moisture. When you throw the cubes into the tub, they kind of start to fizz up, and then they release some really moisturizing properties like shea butter, coconut oil, and stuff like that to really add moisture to your bath. Once those are in, I'm ready to hop in. I typically take a shower before I hop in the bath so I don't have to worry about washing up. I can just chill. I usually listen to my music. I'll scroll on Twitter, reply to text messages, you know, the normal stuff. So once I'm ready to hop out of the bath, I'm going to put on this In-Shower Body Conditioner by Shea Moisture. It's basically like a conditioner for your body. You just put it on wet skin and then you rinse it off, and it leaves your skin feeling so soft and smooth. It makes it so much easier because you don't have to put on an oil or lotion after your shower because you've already conditioned. So you can just hop out and you're already moisturized. So last but not least, I'm just wiping off the steam from my mirror so I can see myself. I'm taking off the eye mask, and then I'm gonna rinse off my face mask. Once I'm ready to style my hair, I'll rinse out the hair mask, but that's pretty much it. Self-care is so important, you guys, and I really advise you to just take a few minutes out of your week, if you can, to really just pamper yourself, treat yourself, and make yourself feel good. When you feel good, you look good, and you do good.